In a strong move against illegal constructions, 98 Panchayat secretaries across Goa have been issued showcase notice following directions from the Bombay High Court. The court, which is hearing a suo motu PIL on issues, expressed serious concern over delays and failure to submit compliance reports by several village panchayats. It termed the lapse a serious dereliction of duty. Acting on the court's order, the Directorate of Panchayats has initiated action and warned of further disciplinary measures against the officials found negligent. The court has also directed authorities to conduct inquiries and ensure strict compliance with the service rules. The development highlights growing judicial scrutiny over illegal constructions and increasing accountability of local bodies in Goa.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.